Okay, just got a new Anker lightning cable. That's a replacement for one that failed on me after a couple of months. So let's open her up and see how it works. I do like the little cases that Anker provide. Really nice. There we go. So, currently using a Belkin brand cable. So, phone is charging there nicely. Okay, let's change her out. Unplug it. Unplug from the wall. All right. Got her charging, but what's... Something's wrong with the connector on the end here. Well, let's flip her over, see how it works the other direction. Huh. That side doesn't want to charge at all. Unless I really press on it, and then as soon as I let it go, it doesn't work anymore. Huh. Let's switch back. Charging okay. Let's see, let's shake it. Huh. Keeps charging no matter how much I play with it. Let's flip it over, see how this Belkin cable works the other direction. Okay, flipped it over, still charging. Let's shake it. No problem. Okay, so the Anker cable they sent me to replace a bad cable is bad. Interesting. I thought Anker was the premium brand, but this is about the fourth cable that's failed on me, so, The difference is this one is less than 30 minutes old. Previously they lasted, I don't know, a couple weeks, a month. So, Anker, I think we have a problem.